What is an electromagnet and how does it work? Well, to answer the question, first we have to build something to show us an example of an electric magnet.
Yes! Magnets! Oh!
Today, we're going to build an electric motor. If you would like to make this at home, the materials you'll need are 2 paper clips, tape, magnet wire, sandpaper, a small magnet, a pair of scissors, a battery, and something to keep the battery up, like clay or Play-Doh. First, we will start by taking the battery and paper clips and putting the paper clips on each side of the battery, like this. Next, we'll take the tape and tape it all together. Now, we need to take our wire and curl it around in a circle. I recommend doing it around 10 times. I used a marker for support, but you can use anything else, like a glue stick. Next, wrap each end around the circle to hold it together. Now, grind down one end to get off all of the insulation that's on the wire. And on the other end, only grind down one side. Now you'll need to configure the paper clips in a way to make it able to hold both ends of the wire. And put the wire on both sides. You're almost done. You want to put the clay where you plan on putting your battery and put the magnet underneath the wire and give it a little spin. Now I become Newton, one of the many laws. They won't fear it until they understand it. And they won't understand it until they've used it. Theory can only take you so far. This is all just a simple yet complex circuit, from the negative end of the battery, to the paperclip, to the wire, to the other paperclip, to the positive end of the battery. It all flows together as an electric circuit. This is an electromagnet. But you may wonder, what are some real-life uses for an electromagnetic motor? If you go to an apartment complex, some of them have electric doorbells, which is a simple circuit that triggers the sound on the completion of the circuit by pressing a button. Even things you use every day like loudspeakers uses it. In these devices, when you play music or a video, an electrical signal runs through your devices, turning it into a tiny electromagnet. And with the vibrations, it causes you to be able to hear what you're listening to. But how are electricity and magnetism interconnected? Well, in the world of physics, electricity and magnetism are deeply intertwined, thanks to the elegant work of Maxwell's equations, which are a set of fundamental rules that describe how electricity and magnetism work together and create phenomena like light and radio waves. These fundamental principles serves as a bedrock for comprehending how these two phenomena are interconnected. Imagine this. When electric current flows through a conductor, it works like a magician, conjuring up a magnetic field in the space around it. Ampere's law first articulated this magical connection There's a twist to this enchanting tale. Changing magnetic fields, as per Faraday's law of magnetic induction, has a surprise of its own. They can spark an electric current in nearby conductors, creating a delightful dance between electricity and magnetism. This mesmerizing back and forth is often referred as electromagnetism, and it underscores the inseparable bond between these two forces. Thanks for watching.
And here's all my evidence.